channel. I hope you have a blessed day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried pepper with egg wrapping. Chinese name called 锅塌青椒. The main ingredients we need half pepper. You can use the spicy pepper or the sweet pepper. This is the sweet pepper, bell pepper. We need half, and we need 4 eggs. And those are main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, cut the pepper. We cut this pepper we cut it, made from half. And then we add the seeds and roll out. And the seeds and the sweet. And those get softer inside. We just try to get rid of it. The other half we won't use, we just keep it. And we just need half. And then we cut it like this. We cut it, just try to thin. At first cut it like this, as thin as possible. Now we will cut it to small pieces. Try to cut it small. So the small will be like this small, not too big. So the pepper we get. Okay, we prepare the egg. This egg will crack it. This is the salt. We add a pinch of salt to it. Don't add too much. This is the black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. Don't add too much. Now we mix it. We make it the yellow part and the white part well. So we make it. So this egg, the yellow part and white part, mix well. This is a chopped pepper, sweet pepper we added to the eggs. Okay, we mix it. Okay, it's done. So then we will fry this. On the stove, high fire. And put the pot on. We use a non-stick pan to make this. When the pan is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Don't add too much. Vegetable oil, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil and rinse the pot. Rinse the pan or pot. When the pot is hot and when the oil is hot, we add the egg into the pan. Just the wait. Okay, we try to move the egg to just a little to one side. So let it heat. Okay, then move this side. Let the running eggs go here. Then let the running egg go down again. Still have running eggs, so we go let the running egg go here. There's still some running eggs. Go down. Okay. Just slowly cook. When it's too hot, just move the pan up. Just slowly cook. We don't want the outside to be burned. Okay, when it's like this, then we turn over the egg. Just be careful. To fry the other side. To move that egg to cook. I don't want the other side to burn. Just okay, we turn it over to the other side. Okay, this side we still need some more. Fry some more. Just go. We just fry, make sure the eggs don't burn and still tender inside. There's no runny eggs. All the eggs fully cooked. Just move, don't let it burn too much. Okay, we turn it over again. Okay, I think this egg is fully cooked, so we come to the stove. Put the egg to the plate. So this dish is done. So the fried pepper, sweet pepper with egg wrapping, Chinese name called 锅塌青椒 or 锅塌甜椒. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.